Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. So this week I went to two different thrift stores. I went to Goodwill and I also went to Unique, which is the same as Savers for most of you. I found a few things that are really cool, and one thing I've been looking for a very long time, and I'm going to start with that. It was at Goodwill. It was $4.99 and it is this ginormous basket that's nice and skinny. I have been looking for a basket to put in my bathroom. I have a set of shelves that are real narrow, and I'm constantly looking for baskets, and it's very hard to find baskets that will fit on those shelves. So this is going to work perfectly, I'm hoping, because I still haven't tried it out, but I'm pretty sure it's going to fit on there. And I'm going to fill it up with like washcloths and hand towels and that sort of thing. So I just love the color on this basket. I think it is absolutely beautiful. So I was so thrilled to finally find this basket. I was seriously have been looking for baskets. I found one not too long ago that's probably about half this size and a little taller, but that was like a long time ago. I think that was like before like the whole shutdown thing happened. So I have been, and every time I go, I always look for baskets, and this is the first one I found that will work for me. So I'm so excited about that. I was super thrilled, and I'm so excited to have found it. So that was a great find, and one I'm very excited about. So then moving on to the other store that I went to, I found a couple goodie bags. I've been really looking at those lately a lot. I don't know why. I'm just into like little miniature things, so I'm check out the goodie bags all the time. And this store has a ton of them, like in every single aisle. So shopping through that store is a lot of times very slow because I'm looking at all the bags. But anyways, I found one. Actually, my daughter helped me find them. I told her to look through the candles and see if she could find any spiral kind of vintagey looking candles, and she did. She found one little package. It looks like this, and it was $1.99, and they had the palest pink little spiral candles. Aren't these so much fun? Do you remember that I've been looking for these? I found some at Christmas time last year, and ever since I have been obsessed with these. I think they are so cool. They remind me of my childhood. I remember my mom having a set of red ones and green ones that she would bring out every single Christmas. So, I don't know. I just think these are cool, and the pink color is very nice. So I am loving that. So now I have 4 new candles to use, which I think is so fun. And plus, that's a really good place to buy candles, because a lot of the candles that you see at the thrift store have never even been, lit at all. So I just think it's a great place to look for candles. Anyways, so then moving on to the next goodie bag that I found. This one caught my eye. It was $2.99, and it's a little goodie bag of bells. And they all look like they are like, let me get this opened here. What do you call it? I can't think of the word. Brass. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. Alright, so anyways, so I found the goodie bag, and it looks like there's 3 different bells in here. Oh, 4 bells, and then some other little thing here. So anyways, the first bell looks like this. It's a little brass bell. Can you see that? Is it going to focus? There we go. Isn't that adorable? And then, oh my goodness, there's another small one. This one has like little leaves on the side. It's also brass. Is it going to focus? There you go. Can you see the little leaves along the edge? A little engraved. Then there's even a smaller one. Oh my goodness, this one's adorable. It looks like this. He's adorable. Look at the cute little top to it. Isn't that adorable? I think this is so cute, and it sounds so pretty too. Alright, and then there's one large bell, which is actually what caught my eye. And it looks like this. It's got a cute top on it, and it's got this nice little design. It looks like flowers. So I loved that. I love those bells. I think those are so cool. Now I have a little collection of bells. 4 little bells for $2.99. Plus, there is this little trinket box. Looks like this. It's got a little bow on the top. And does it open? Yep. It's like a little ring box. Which would be kind of cute sitting on the desk somewhere. It's in a cute little silver finish. So I thought that was really cute. I'm not quite sure if I'll keep this. I'll maybe see if the girls want this, or I may get rid of that. I'm not real sure. It's not something that I would probably use. But the goodie bag was a great find for the bells. I'm so in love with these. I think they are so much fun. And then from there, of course, I had to look at the dishes. You guys know I have to look at them every single time I go. They had some really cool stuff this week, but I was very good and kept myself to 2 pieces. The first piece I found was this bowl right here. Now, if you remember last week, I think I shared another bowl that had like pink flowers in it that I picked up. Well, this week there was this one and I had to get it. Can you see the little yellow or the pink flowers in there? It's got pink flowers here, and then it's got a little gold design, and it kind of alternates around the bowl, which I think was so cool. I love the fluting on the side of the bowl as well. So this was $2.99 I don't remember if I said that or not. And it is marked Ironstone China Warranted on the bottom. You see that right there? So that is even more exciting, the fact that it's an ironstone bowl, which is super cool. So yeah, super in love with this piece. If you couldn't imagine. So then my other like kind of dish related item I fell in love with as well. It once again has some pink flowers on it. It was $2.99, and it is this little teapot right here with this gorgeous floral on the side with the pink flowers and the green foliage. And I absolutely fell in love with this as soon as I saw it. There was a ton of pieces like this at the store as well. I think there was a gravy boat, a lot of like little small dishes and stuff like that. And of course I wanted to buy all of it, but I didn't, because I didn't think I needed all of the different pieces. But I really loved this little teapot. It doesn't have the lid, which is fine with me, because then I can put, you know, things in it. Or, I don't know, flowers, stuff like that. So I think it is so pretty. I love it so much, and it'll look so gorgeous, I think, in the springtime. Because I think in the spring I'm going to do the pink in my living room again, because I really love that. So this will be a few more pink items I can add into the mix, which I think is really fun. Alright, so that leads me to my very last item of the day. And this piece was $1.99, and it is a simple candle holder. I think it's for a tea light, and it's in this really pretty wood color. So I like to add little accents of wood around my house, and I absolutely love candles. So I thought this would be a good little item to add to my collection of candlesticks. I like that it's, you know, got a little pedestal to it. It's simple, it's streamlined. I think it could go in a lot of different spaces, and probably something that I will probably reach for quite a bit. So, yay. Very excited about that piece. So that is what I picked up this week at the thrift store. I would love to know what you found this week when you were out looking for treasures for your own. If you didn't happen to get to the store this week, which of these items that I picked up this week is your favorite? So let me know down in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And of course, I would love it if you would hit that thumbs up button as well. And I will see you next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. In the meantime, happy thrifting, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.